How to share any music or sound or podcast to Facebook directly from SoundCloud. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share anything from SoundCloud to your Facebook account directly. So all what you have to do, go to SoundCloud like this, and now let's choose a sound or music. Okay, I choose this one. Now if you want to share it to your Facebook, just go here down and click on the share option, and you will be able to share it into your Facebook directly. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.